Should we get on top of Jake's house?
That'd be pretty good, actually.
Wherever you are, I'm gonna fly to you and give you your boxes.
Drop them as you fly
have
over
your shield
us.
out?
Oh,
have your shield out, babe?
Thank you. Thank you for the warning.
Yeah, you're welcome. Kyle, come down here.
Whoa,
no.
Sorry.
whoa,
It
no,
was the heat of the moment. Heat of the moment.
I'm
I'm
not
sorry.
that kind of
I got a little excited. Ugh.
We do have like 2 minutes of day left.
Um,
You better go pretty fast.
How do you calculate 2 exact minutes?
Oh, never mind.
You ready?
what an idiot.
That was
yeah.
mean.
Sounds so good.
Wait, Al.
Whoa!
Where is he? Oh. I'm so bad at this. Oh my god.
That was so cool.
Thank you, Superman.
Thank you, Superman.
He's so fast. I
Hi,
can't catch up with the
citizens.
camera. Can't catch up. That was the sickest shot with the music. Oh my god.
Yeah.
This is so sick. This is like kind of like the Man of Steel like cinematography of like how the camera zooms in with the telescope or spyglass. He crashed into me. It's a bird. It's a bird. It's
a
a
plane.
It's a
The
bird.
plane.
It's a bird.
It's
Oh god. Oh my god. Okay, that's you. Sorry. My fault.
I'm so happy right now.
Dude, that had to have been the most like serotonin like ever.
yeah. No, for real.
Oh, I gotta take my box.
I gotta drop off Batman's box.
Superman, wait!
Bye,
I wanted
Superman.
an autograph.
Superman.
He cracked his bones, poor guy.
Oh, hey, it's that Enderman that I tried to summon over here by looking at him.
Superman's on it.
Oh my god, he is on
There
it.
you go.
Oh shit!
The Justice League.
Oh, we just watched
Oh.
that happen too. That just, oh my god. I don't have my trident, but I do have my trusty sword of Nep.
Who would have
Oh,
thought
never mind.
that I managed to make it through the Ender Dragon fight and the End City without dying, but then one Enderman kills me.
Alrighty, any last
Stuck-
words before I stop the recording?
You can't have that last part in, or everyone will know we were playing with keep inventory on.
Alright,
Yeah.
I'll make sure to cut that out 100%.